Welcome back to Mathematics by AC Okocha. I'm excited we are going into a new topic, and I'm going to be running this topic for the next 7 days. It is called partial fraction. So I'm going to be solving 7 different questions, one per day. So make sure you watch my video for the next 7 days to understand partial fraction fully. Now we have a question already. They say we are to decompose this expression into partial fraction. First of all, I want you to understand what they mean by partial fraction by showing you something. So when you hear partial fraction, this is what you should think of. Let me show you from there. Let's say, for instance, we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. If you add these two now, the LCM is 6. This go here is 2 times 1, 2. This go here is 3 times 1 is 3. If you add them up, you have 5 over 6. Now, this 5 over 6 is known as single fraction. It's the same thing as 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. In this form, it is called partial fraction. This is single fraction. This is partial fraction in this form. So when if I say split this one into partial fraction, this is what I want you to do. It is to separate this one, decompose, split into partial fraction. That means partial fraction means the fraction is not a single fraction. Maybe you have 2 or more fractions. We call it partial fraction. So this is a single fraction, this is a partial fraction. Take note so that you have an idea of what we mean by partial fraction. Now, with that said, come to this question. The first thing you need to understand about partial fraction, what you must look out for is the denominator, because it is the denominator that determines what you are going to do. If you look at this denominator now, you see there is a quadratic denominator with 2 of the factor obviously stated. It can be factored. It's already separated. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes you can have a quadratic equation that cannot be factorized. The procedure is different. So it's the denominator that determines what you do. So what we are planning to do here now is to split this one into partial fractions so that we have something over s minus 2 plus something over s plus 1. Let me show you. So this is what we want to split. We say that 4s plus 1 over s minus 2 times s plus 1 is equals to, let it be a over s minus 2, then plus b over s plus 1. So as it is now, we are looking for a and b. Once we know the value of a and b, and we replace this a and b, we substitute the a and b with the value, we have succeeded in splitting it into partial fraction. Can you get what I'm saying? So someone will ask, what if can here be minus? For the sample like this, here is always plus, but that does not mean that here can end up becoming minus. That is, if b is negative, that means here is minus. But as you are writing it out here, here will always be plus. But after solving it, if b is negative, that means here will change to minus. Are you following? So let's solve it further. We have 4x plus 1 all over s minus 2 times s plus 1 equals to, what's the LCM here? S minus 2, s plus 1. When this s minus 2 go into these two, s minus 2 will cancel out s minus 2. We are left with this s plus 1, which will times a times s plus 1 plus, when this s plus 1 go into these two, s plus 1 will cancel out s plus 1. We are left with s minus 2, which will times b times s minus 2. Now, there is no need cross multiplying again, because this denominator, these two are the same. And since they are the same, we can cancel out. It's just like you have something over 4 over 4. There is no need to cross multiplying, because if you cross multiply, the 2 will still cancel out. So this can cancel this for us to be left with s minus 4s plus 1 equals to a times s plus 1 plus b times s minus 2. Now, at this stage, there are two ways you can use to find this A and B. The first method is what we call comparing of coefficient method, but I'm not going to be using that method. But let me tell you what that method is all about. So for comparing of coefficient, we are going to open this bracket. A will times S, AS, A will times 1, A. B will times S, BS, B will times minus 2, minus 2B. Then we'll merge AS plus BS, then A minus 2B. So we factor out S out, we compare coefficients. So what that means is that the coefficient of the one that has S is equals to 4, because 4 has S here. The coefficient of the one that does not have S is equals to 1. You may not understand what I'm saying because I'm not solving it. Now, you are now going to get two equations for A and B, which you will now solve simultaneously. Now, that procedure is take more time and space compared to another method called cover-up method. Now, cover-up method works for all. Is shorter and more straightforward, because if this is ABC, imagine if you are solving a simultaneous equation involving 3 variables. There is no other space remaining now. You won't have enough space to solve it at all. So that is why I want you to understand cover-up method. Now, for cover-up method, we'll look for a value we're going to substitute that will be x. What do you think will be s for a to be 0? Simple. S plus 1 is equal to 0. S is minus 1. If s is minus 1, a will be 0, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times a is 0. So if I put that s is minus 1, I will succeed in eliminating a, then I can find b. And if I want to eliminate b, I will put that s is equals to 2. If s is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, b is out, then I can find a. That is the procedure. Now watch and see so that you understand what I'm saying. Let's eliminate a by putting that s is equals to what? Minus 1 to find b. You have to state it, to find b. Now, anywhere you see s all through, put what? Minus 1. So 4x, remember, minus 1 plus 1 is equals to a. No, there is no need writing it again, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times a is 0. That one is out, so no need. A is out. Then go for b. B bracket minus 1 minus 2. Now, what does that mean? This is minus 4 plus 1 is equals to minus 3b. Of course, this is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So you divide both sides by minus 3b. You have that b is equals to minus 3 over minus 3. Because this and this is minus 3. Then divide both sides by minus 3. That is minus 3 divided by minus 3. B is equals to what? 1. Does that make sense? Now you do the same thing to find A. For you to find A, you put that s is equals to 2 so that you can get 0 here and b is out. So put s equals to 2 to find A. To find A. Now, how do we go about it? 4 times 2, s is 2, plus 1 is equals to A bracket 2 plus 1. Anywhere you see s, you put 2. If you put 2 here, 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 times b is 0. So that one is out. So this time this is 8 plus 1 is equals to, this plus this is 3. 3a. Of course, this plus this is 9. So we have that a is equals to what? 9 over 3. And a is equals to what? 3. Is that clear? Now that we know the value of a and b, we will now come here and say, therefore, what is the original equation? 4s plus 1 over x minus 2 times s plus 1 equals to, what is a? A is what? 3. So I'll put 3 here on top. Then under is what? S minus 2. Then what is b? B is 1. So I'll put 1 here over s plus 1. So this is the answer. So this part, this left-hand side, is a partial fraction of this one. Are you getting it? If you simplify this now, this is what it will give you. If you solve only this side now, you will get back to this. So we have succeeded in breaking it, splitting it, or decomposing it into partial fraction. So that is what partial fraction is all about. Okay, remember what I said, it's going to be a series. So I will continue this series tomorrow. So make sure you watch that of tomorrow. And you will see that the way we solve this will not be the same way. The denominator is what determines what we are going to do. But more importantly, share this video so that others can benefit. See you in our next class. Thank you.